Hello. These are videos for people who are having problems with their appliances, whether it be dishwasher, washer, dryer, stove, refrigerator. And I look at these posts. I read the comments in the post, and this is to help you find the problem with your appliance. So DIYers are welcome. Appliance techs are welcome to help out with a problem. I show videos and photos, sometimes videos, sometimes just photos. Let's get started. Here's the post from Emma. Amana washer stuck on drain even after leaving unplugged to reset. Had it less than a year. Here's the video. And here are the comments. Joseph, 100% pre-stat water level sensor on the control board. Solder to a new one or buy a new control board. Marty, bad control board. If it's less than a year old, call the manufacturer for a warranty repair. Joseph, when the water level sensor fails, the drain pump will work indefinitely. After the washing cycle is completed, when you pull out the cutter and reinsert it into the cutter without pressing any button, the drain pump will turn on its own, which should not be the case. Change the control board, give me the model number, and I'll send you the part number. David, call Whirlpool, but last I heard they're all on back order again. Mateo, board. Mateo, Ben's Appliance has a kit. Alberto, board. Marine, do a master reset. If that fails, then it's your control board. Steve, this unit board is recalled. Joe, control board, you have a defective pressure switch on the board. Cavancer, bad board. Caesar, board. Dale, control board. In Canada, there's a recall for that. Whirlpool covers parts and labor until the 31st of December this year. Luis, main control board. Carl, yeah, you're going to need to call Whirlpool. You got a bad control board. The pressure sensor on the board is bad. They didn't know about it until after the fact that the unit was already out and in the field. Call Whirlpool and they should pick up the bill on all of it. John needs a new control board. You got to call Whirlpool to get a tech out. Will, I have fixed several of these pressure sensors by spraying them with contact cleaner. Moisture from the pressure tube causes these to fail. Spray it with contact cleaner and let it dry. Works like a champ. Terry, water pump. Justin, need a control board. They run about $200. Dave, these are being covered under a service bulletin by Whirlpool. Javon, board and put it in yourself. It's the pressure switch that has failed. The issue is it's built into the board, so new board, like everybody is saying, I have done 5 in the last 2 weeks. Chris, call Whirlpool with the model and serial number, whether it's a warranty or not. They have had a program going on covering some past warranty failed boards for this known issue. Be sure to let them know you are aware that this is a known issue politely, of course. Don't waste any time because when my nephew called his in last week, they're coming to fix it, but they said this loyalty program ends at the end of this month. David, factory recall on the board and labor by factory authorized company. Mike, call factory service. they will repair it at no cost to the owner. William Board, call Whirlpool, your model and serial number to them. They'll send part and possibly authorized servicer, and it'll be fixed free of charge. It's a nationwide issue with units produced sold from 12/24 to 3/25. Derek, Whirlpool is offering an extended warranty on this control board until 12/31/25. They will send you the board free of charge. Stephen, open lid, spin basket clockwise. If it stops, the drain pressure switch on board is bad. Nick, it's a control board issue. Whirlpool will cover it under warranty. Call them and have them get a board coming. Joe, contact Whirlpool. The part has been recalled and they should set you up with the new one. William, there's a tech manual taped on the front of the case of the inside. Should have all the codes and diagnostics to narrow down your problem. It will record fault codes and tell you exactly what to replace if it's not obvious. Daniel, pressure sensor on the board. And that'll be it for the comments. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this station. You have a good one.